So today we'll be unboxing the Bartesian. We got a few containers that come with it. You got one for rum, vodka. You have another one that you put whiskey in, and another one for tequila. We also picked up the Classic Collection drink pods. This come with 6 pods, different flavors, for $15. Now we're going to put the containers into each hole. Each hole got a name on the machine and the containers to let you know which ones you're putting into which. It actually comes with 5 containers, and just in case you want to do gin instead of rum, but we decided to go with the rum instead. Also, all containers are glass. So now we have the machine set up. We're going to put our margarita pod inside the machine. Just place pod in machine, close it down. Should hit next. And you want to pick how strong you want the drink. Regular is pretty good. It could get pretty strong. We tried strong before, so we're going to go with regular. And then it dispenses the drink. After it's done filling, it will say cheers. You can open the lid and throw the pot away. Also, the price of the machine was $349.99 on the actual site, and the drinks actually taste good.